Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine as always. So let us start with our next lesson, and that is the forests. And the forests are called as our lifeline. Forests are our lifeline. How? हम तो फॉरेस्ट में जाते नहीं हैं और then how the forests are said as a lifeline. So let us see that why is it a lifeline to us. So very first, you know very well about the forest. So forest, that is it is the natural habitat for so many of the plants. There are different types of plants, there are different types of animals which are found in the forest, right? So, and this forest will provide the food and shelter to many of the animals, right? So, and hence we find so many different types of plants and animals. Now, we may name some animals and plants over there, like the animals like lion, tigers are there, elephants, monkeys, zebras. Then we have the elephants, boar. Then we have snakes also there, crocodiles if there is the water over there. So that means the forest, as you see the forest, it has greenery everywhere. It has so many kinds of plants. It also has water in it. तो बहुत सारे animals we will see, right? Because animals who feed on the trees are ultimately those animals will be eaten by the other animals. So that we will see the relationship between them. But this is why there is a plenty of food and there is enough amount of shelter also available to the animals, and so various kinds of animals we will see into the forest. You have learned about the animals which are found in the forest, right? Now also there are along with the animals there are also plants. So many plants we observe in the forest. You can see there are so many plants you can see in the diagram, in the figure, that is the teak, bamboo, fig, shisham, sal, neem, amla and all. You see there are so many trees, and see the height of them, like height of them. कोई बहुत बड़े होंगे, कोई छोटे होंगे. So there are various trees. There are also some kinds of herbs, shrubs, grasses, climbers होंगे, creepers होंगे, and yes, there are again so many types of plants you will see into the forest, right? So you see there are so many kinds of plants and there are so many kinds of animals which are found in the forest, right? So forest is very important habitat which feeds so many kinds of the living things, right? And you see, like I said, the forest, that is the lifeline, that is our lifeline. Now how is the forest our lifeline? So see, because forest gives us so many products from it, the products which mostly we get from the plants. Those products we use in our everyday life for so many purposes, and hence forest is called as the lifeline. Like if we want to start with the very first thing, what we eat, the food. Okay, although the crops और वो नहीं आएंगे, लेकिन the herb, what we can say, the spices which we use in our food, that okay, those plants or those trees, they grow in the forest only, they grow there naturally. We also get the wood, right? Wood we use in the construction, so that we get our shelter from the trees, that means ultimately from the forest. So we get the wood which we use for construction purposes, and yes, there are again so many purposes of the wood. We get spices from them, we get gum, oils which we use, right? We get the oils from various oil seeds from the nuts. Also honey, like if there are trees, then there will also be the honeybees which will be living over there, and there will be so many honeycombs, and we will get the honey which is very nutritious, right? Then we will get sealing wax, then fodder and all, fodder for animals also we will get from the plants, and most importantly also we get medicine. Because from where do we get the medicine? Medicine हमें मिलते हैं medicinal plants से. There are some medicinal plants जिनके कभी कभी सीड से, किसी प्लांट के लीव्स से, किसी प्लांट के रूट से, किसी प्लांट के फ्रूट से we get the medicinal products or medicinal substances which we use to get cure, right, from various diseases. And hence you see the forest, they are actually our lifeline. अभी तो हम बोल ही सकते हैं because now we know so many uses or so many products that we get from the forest, and we have so many uses of those products. इन products के बिना तो we cannot live. Medicines तो चाहिए, we need food, we need spices in that, right? We also need wood for the construction, तभी तो we get the shelter. So you see there are so many. Also we get fruits which are very nutritious, right? So there are so many things which we get from the forest. Yes, so forests are really very important to us. Okay, even though directly हमें forest से कुछ we don't have any relation, but ultimately indirectly we all are dependent on forest. Yes, so there is a need to conserve the forest. Okay, then if you see in the forest, you see जो इतने सारे trees होंगे, तो you see the different kinds of, have you seen different kinds of trees? Like if what I'm talking about is the branchy part जो होता है ट्री का, जो स्टेम के ऊपर होता है, सो द ब्रांची पार्ट ऑफ द ट्री विच इज़ अबाउट द स्टेम, जो लीव्स वगैरह जिस पे आते हैं, उसका एक स्पेसिफिक शेप होता है. हर एक ट्री का अलग अलग शेप होगा, एंड दैट पार्ट, दैट पोर्शन इज कॉल्ड एज द क्राउन ऑफ द ट्री. दैट इज लाइक अ क्राउन ऑफ द ट्री. सबसे ऊपर का जो पार्ट है, जो लीव्स आते हैं, द ब्रांचेस एंड द लीव्स अबाउट द मेन स्टेम, that part is called as the crown of the tree. In the crown of the trees, they have different kinds of shapes. You see how many different kinds of shapes are there. The first one, it is like this triangular, it's like a pyramid, or it can be round, it can be vase shaped, it can be oval shaped, it can be layered one above the other, or it can spread everywhere, like कैसे भी it can spread everywhere, then columnar weeping. So you see there are so many different shapes of this crown, right? So in forest you would get to see so many different kinds of trees. हमारे around भी you can observe which kind of tree, which kind of crown the tree has, okay, which you see surrounding you. Then also the branches जो होते हैं of the tall trees, they look like the roof over the other plants. मतलब क्या होता है, कोई प्लांट बहुत बड़ा बढ़ता है, द लेंथ इज सो हाई, सो इट विल कवर द अनदर प्लांट, राइट? सो इट विल कवर, इट विल एक्ट एज अ रूफ, इट विल एक्ट एज अ शेल्टर फॉर दैट अदर प्लांट. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द कैनोपी. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? द कैनोपी. ओके, सो यू सी banyan tree, you see it is so big, the area is, it covers a large, a huge area. tall भी होता है थोड़ा, not that, but okay, but it spreads up to more area. So you see there are different types of plants with different shapes, right? And the trees, they have different heights, they have different crowns, as I said, different shapes of the crowns, shapes of the leaves, flowers and fruits. So there are so many, so much of the varieties in the plants, in the trees, what we observe in the forest. Okay, then you see ये जो सारे प्लांट्स है, ये जो सारे एनिमल्स है, who all live in the forest, so they are all interdependent. Of course, if we are talking about the ecosystem की definition ही वही है, where the biotic and abiotic factors, they are interdependent on each other. That is only we define as ecosystem. So forest is a kind of ecosystem. Okay, तो फॉरेस्ट में यू सी इतने सारे प्लांट्स है, एनिमल्स है, कुछ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होंगे, कुछ बर्ड्स होंगे. सो यू सी हाउ दे ऑल आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन ईच अदर. सो वी कैन डिवाइड देम इन few categories. So first तो autotrophs, you know about autotrophs which can prepare their own food. तो वो क्या हो गए? plants. Because plants can produce their own food, so they are called as the autotrophs. Okay. Then the heterotrophs like us, which we cannot, like all the animals who cannot make their own food, right? Can we grow, like can we make our own food or eat like the plants? No, we have to get it from somewhere. Okay, so the animals which get their food directly or indirectly from the plants. The thing is, the animals which get their food directly or indirectly from plants, these are called as the heterotrophs, or which depend on the plants for their food, that is called as the heterotrophs. Then we have saprophytes. Saprophytes are animals which feed on the dead animals. जो dead animals है उन पे जो feed करते हैं, those are the saprophytes. Okay, and then देयर आर द डिकम्पोजर्स. डिकम्पोजर्स जो क्या करेंगे, वो एक्चुअली सब माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं. डिकम्पोजर्स आर मोस्टली द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो कहाँ पे होते हैं, हु आर इन द सॉइल. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हु आर फाउंड इन द सॉइल एंड दिस विल डिकम्पोज द डेड प्लांट. जो डेड प्लांट है, एनिमल है, उनका जो रिमेन्स होता है, दैट दे विल डिकम्पोज. सो दैट इज द decomposer. Okay, those are mostly the small microorganisms. Then if we are talking about this autotroph, heterotroph and all these groups, then you see there is actually food chain. That means when I'm saying कि one thing is dependent on other, एक animal like is dependent on other animal or that is dependent on plant, so we can have a food chain. जैसे कि just see grass है. ओके, ग्रास कौन खाएगा, इंसेक्ट्स. इंसेक्ट्स दे फीड ऑन द ग्रास. ओके, इंसेक्ट्स फीड ऑन द ग्रास. फिर इंसेक्ट को कौन खाता है, फ्रॉग्स, राइट. यस, देयर आर अगेन सो मेनी ऑफ द एनिमल्स हु विल ईट द इंसेक्ट्स, बट फॉर नाउ वी विल जस्ट सी वन, एक ही टाइप के एनिमल देखते हैं. सो इंसेक्ट्स विल बी ईटन बाय फ्रॉग. फ्रॉग को कौन खाता है, स्नेक. फ्रॉग्स विल बी ईटन बाय स्नेक. और स्नेक को कौन खा सकता है, ईगल. ईगल जब फिर से when the eagle will die, then that will fall of course on the, it will be in the soil and the microorganisms will decompose it. So you see this is a sequence, this is like a chain, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक. So they all are dependent on each other. सोचो इनमें से अगर ग्रास, इंसेक्ट, फ्रॉग, स्नेक, ईगल, इसमें से एक भी अगर नहीं रहा, सोचो if there are no insects, तो फ्रॉग किस पे फीड करेंगे. ओके, इफ देर आर नो फ्रॉग्स देन स्नैक्स किस पे फीड करेंगे, राइट. सो द थिंग इज इफ इन इस चेन में से कोई भी एक कंपोनेंट अगर कम हो गया तो आगे के जो कंपोनेंट है दोज विल बी इफेक्टेड, राइट. सो दिस इज अ होल फूड चेन. और पहला ही गायब तो ग्रास ही ना हो तो यू सी जो कंपोनेंट आपने निकाला है, जो कंपोनेंट कम हो गया है, उसके बाद के सारे कंपोनेंट्स विल बी वेरी वेरी एडवर्सली अफेक्टेड. दे विल नॉट गेट फूड. सो द फूड चेन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और फूड चेन का हर एक कंपोनेंट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. लाइक यू कैन सी जैसे ग्रास है, plants, any plant, okay, green plants or grass, they are producer because they are producing the food, okay now, and they are autotroph which we have learned, they all are autotroph. उन पे कौन फीड करेगा, ग्रास हॉपर. ये प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर, सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर का यू लीव, बट जस्ट रिमेंबर ग्रास हॉपर है जो कि है हर्बीवोर, राइट. फिर उसके हर्बीवोर है क्योंकि डिपेंड्स ऑन द प्लांट्स और ट्रीज और ग्रास. फिर उसको कौन खाएगा, द फ्रॉग, फिर स्नेक, देन द आउल एंड देन द डिकम्पोजर, राइट. और डिकम्पोजर जो होते हैं, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो होते हैं, द डिकम्पोजर्स लाइक मशरूम्स एंड ऑल, तो उन्हीं पे फिर व्हाट विल डिपेंड, द प्लांट्स, बिकॉज ट्रीज क्या करते हैं, उनको उनसे क्या मिलता है, फूड मिलता है. दे गेट द न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम द डिकम्पोजर्स. सो ये देखो, ये पूरी साइकिल है, राइट. दिस इज द होल साइकिल, दिस इज अ फूड चेन and which is very very important, and that is that this food chain we can see in the forest में ये सारे components मिलेंगे and they feed upon each other and hence they can live very happy life, right. They will get food and also they are getting shelter in the forest. So forests are very very important part of our lives, even our lives, as I said, directly or indirectly we are dependent on the forest. So that is it for this video. We will continue with this lesson in the next video. Till that time, you take care of yourself, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.